someone had the guts to steal a sticker? Come on, man. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn and welcome back to another Wednesday video. Today we are going to be doing a back to school supply haul slash what's in my backpack kind of video. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram because I share some pictures, behind the scenes, special things. So make sure you guys go follow that if you want to see those special things that are exclusive. So yeah, let's get into it. So my backpack is a JanSport backpack and it's a part of the MONOCHROME collection where it's all the same color. And I got the mustard color and it's so pretty. I love it so much. So here's the backpack. It's mustard all the way around and I love it a lot. I decided to go plain because if I got a pattern and I didn't like it midway through the year, my mom said, well, that's the only backpack you're getting. I also got a bunny on it and it's super cute. It's a bling bling bunny. And it can clap. Okay, anyway, let's get inside the backpack. Nothing is set up yet. It's just everything thrown in there. So yeah, but kind of feel like setting it up yet. That's the key word. Let's start in the mini pocket. And the mini pocket's super cool because it has like two pockets, like one for a pencil and then one for something that's bigger. I don't know what you could put anything in there. So the first thing in here is a note cards. These are super cute because there's like a llama on it and I love llamas. And I just need note cards just to practice or study for a test or something, write down some things, really anything, but I need them. So the next thing in here we have these really pretty heart like color switcher pins. So you can like take one off and then it unleashes another color underneath. They're already coming off, but look how cute they are. That's so cool. And you can just keep stacking them and stacking them and stacking them. And last but definitely not least in the pocket is this really cute pen. Look how cute it is. It's like water and rainbow and glitter, but the coolest thing about it is, ready for it? It lights up. So what now? It's like a disco party and a pen. Now into the bigger pocket. The first thing I'm gonna pull out is my binder. So I got this really pretty yellow binder from Walmart. And I just love the color of it and it's super pretty, basic, but really cute. Next we have all of my folders because I need a whole bunch. So I have this one. I really like this one. It's like stripes and gold. I love this one a lot. And then this one, polka dots. Polka dots. There's nothing really to explain on this one except it has really pretty shiny polka dots. Then the next one is also polka dots. Really getting into the polka dots. But this one's this really pretty like mint color and I like it a lot. And the next one, it kind of looks like paint where they painted it and then some paint came off. And then has like little golden Doritos on it. Me slapper. And then we have this one. This one's really cool because it looks like a bunch of things, but it also goes with all of the folders because it's kind of pastel and my theme this year is pastel. So it goes still. Then we have this really shiny one. Glitter, glitter, glitter. So it got glitter on the front, hollow on the back. This one's really cool. And the inside of this one is hollow in the inside instead of glitter. Then the last one, I really like this one because it looks like watercolor kind of, and it says good vibes only in gold. So next we have a super glittery notebook. Look how pretty this is. It goes with this folder. But I just love how shiny this is and I love it a lot. And then next we have trying to pull it out. This really cute notebook. I love it so much. It's like a plain white, but it says stay magical and stars and gold, and even these are gold. Like, that's kind of dedication there. Next notebook is this one. I really like the color, and the front of the notebook feels super cool. And it says, just a girl boss building her empire in gold shimmery lettering. Lots of gold shimmer. So this one is a matching notebook to the paint with the golden Doritos on it. And I love this notebook a lot. Like, more than the folder, and it's kind of weird because it's the same as the folder, but I just like the notebook more. That makes sense, I know, but that's how it is. Then we have this really pretty sparkly rainbow notebook, and I love it so much. It's super cute with the pattern, and it's glitter on the rainbow. It's everything I love. Oh, this one's the cool one. So we have a cool one right here. And it's like stars, pink stars, and gold, not pink stars, but pink background with gold stars. But then, you think that's it. But then when you turn it around, it's like nighttime with a bunch of stars, and it's black. So it's like daytime, nighttime, daytime, nighttime, daytime, nighttime, daytime. That's cool. Then I really love this notebook. It's all the phases of the moon in gold and gold stars and like a tannish background. And I love it a lot. It's so pretty. And it's just like the other notebook. Daytime, nighttime. Daytime, nighttime. Daytime, nighttime. So this one is adorable. It's everything I love. It has pastel roller skates that have glitter on it and stars. The only thing it's missing is the daytime, nighttime. So then the last notebook is this one. It's from the Happy Planner Company, and it's just so aesthetically pleasing. It's super cute. At first I thought it was a planner, but it's actually just a notebook. So it says create your own sunshine on the front, and it's super pretty, and it just has like a bunch of blank pages, but you can actually refill the paper, and it's just, this is so cute. I actually do have the refillable paper here, and this paper I got, and I just wanted to make it colorful and fun. So here's all the colors on the back. I like it like it's plain, but then I can spice it up a little. Add a little spice. Oh, next we have this amazing pencil pouch. Look how cute it is, and it's squishy, so that's really cute. And it's shaped like a candy bar. That's the cutest thing about this. I love it so much. I love how it's squishy. Here we have some Papermate pins, and I love these pins because of how they're just so colorful and so pretty looking. Next we got 3 packages of mechanical pencils, and these are super cute because they're rainbow. Excuse me? They're so cute. I love these so much. And I also have the lead for these. Nothing really special about the lead, it's just lead. So next, I am so proud of this find. We have pastel highlighters, and they can erase the highlight. These are so cool. I love these so much. They're pretty, they can erase, never heard of that before, and they're highlighters, so perfect for school. I love these so much. I can't believe I found these. Next we have this really cute see-through ruler. And it's just like a ruler except it's see-through, blue, and has sparkles in it. And it's super pretty. It's a ruler. Let's measure. I don't know how to measure. I'm just kidding. Next we have a water bottle. And this one is plastic because, like I said in my other school video, I break almost every water bottle I get. So if I break this, I don't know how it's going to happen, but I Hopefully I don't. Last, but certainly not least, we have a big old planner. So cute too. I love the look of this planner. It says don't quit your daydream on the front, and it's stars and pretty, and look at the inside. Look how cute everything is. I love it. I'm so happy I got this. That was a weird sound, but I'm so happy I got this planner because it's just so amazingly cute, and this is gonna help me keep organized for all of my classes because it's the first time ever I'm having this many classes. So stress. So this is the Happy Planner student planner, and I got it at Michael's. Super cute, but that's not it. I also have, so this is the sticker and sticky note pack, and it's super cute. It's just gonna help me decorate and organize my planner. And it just has super cute stickers. Like, look at that. Look at that sticky note. Look at that shoe. Amazingly cute things. So next is like the sticker book. And here's the back to show all of the stickers. And it's super cute because it just has like these, all of the stickers. I can't see them. And then it has like graphs here. These are such cute stickers. Like, look at that. It has everything you could possibly need. And it has motivational quotes, and the motivational quotes are actually like bright colored, and I feel like motivational quotes and bright colors can really boost your, like, if you're feeling down, it can really boost you up. So I like this. Someone had the guts to steal a sticker? Come on, man. Are you serious? That's my sticker that they stole. So the last thing in my backpack is the planner accessories pack, and inside it just has paper, stickers. This is super cute. Like, look at the bookmark. It says you got this, babe, and rainbow. I love it so much. I can't wait to open it and put everything in my planner. It's gonna go so well together. But I'm not opening everything yet because I'm gonna wait, because I'm actually doing setting up my planner video. So like this video if you want to see that. That was everything in my backpack, and the inside just looks like this. And this is perfect because it actually has a sleeve for my laptop that's gonna go in there, so that worked out perfectly. We actually took a few days to get all of my school supplies because I wanted everything to flow together and like go together. I didn't just want to settle on something that didn't match or something. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but that's how I like it, just everything to go together. And I think school is more fun when you have more cute, fun things. You don't want a boring pencil and be bored in class when you have a shiny pencil and be a shining star. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff.